Welcome to RITA 2022. My name's Cody Hambley. I work for Cyrus Shank and Shank Manufacturing. I'm the machinist of products that we do here. We are number one for relief valves in the industry currently.
My name's Kelly, and I am the National Sales Director here. So we have a couple of products that we are featuring here today. We're over a 100-year-old company. We've been doing valves for a very, very long time. So as you can see here, we have what we're calling the QCM or the QRM if it's not an 803, if it's an 801, 800, 804, 805. But basically what it is fully integrated manifold with the inserts here. And then thank you.
Yep.
This device is rated completely for whatever valve is inserted in here. So you would have your 800, 801, whatever model number you need, and then the PSI setting. So every 5 years when you go to replace it, all you would have to do is pull down on this ring, drop a new one in, and go ahead and screw that in, and you should be all set to go.
Yeah.
This is kind of the latest evolution, less leak points on it, obviously, and then here's your manifold in here that also has the adjusting stem there, so you can go ahead and seat whichever valve you would like to.
The next thing too also is we brought with our two-part valves, same exact deal with the manifold to where it's just a quick release change to where you'll unscrew the product, pop out, and it'll just be a quick insert change. This product is an 803 QC Quick Connect. It's the same product as a 803 ductile iron at that point, but when it comes to what you'll be able to do is just, yeah, we had a quick interrupt there. You'll be able to keep this body plumbed in, and then a 45 to an hour change is now 5 minutes at that point. Everything here that you've seen is full billeted out of 304 stainless steel. The manifold that we have here that Kelly was talking about is 6061 aircraft grade aluminum, full hard coat anodized, but we also offer these in 304 stainless steel as well.
Also with these, I kind of want to talk lead times because that has been a big discussion here while we've been here. So we are having, problems sourcing from our ductile iron foundries, basically. The lead times with them have just been very crazy. So that's why we are kind of showcasing these two-piece stainless steel valves, because as long as we have the material in-house, I can control 100% of the production because everything is made in-house. So with that, we can control, nothing should take more than 3 to 4 weeks for us to produce. So we can control lead times much more with these as opposed to the foundries, because lead times are just crazy with the foundries right now. Absolutely. Also too, so there is like a little bit of a upfront cost that's a little bit more with the body and the insert when you buy it. But when you go to change it out, you can actually send back this insert. And the insert is the same cost as a ductile iron version of the full valve. And then when you send back the insert, you get a credit off of your replacement valve there. So it actually, you can recoup some of your money from the upfront cost that you have to pay initially. But it is no more than $40, I believe, between the two ductile irons and the stainless steel ones.
And then for the last one, our last product that we brought to the show with us is we just call a simple popper. Yeah.
Vanna White.
Yeah. We call it for this one's currently the 800 PI. Once again, full billeted out of 304 stainless steel. What this allows us to do, I'll actually grab a pen, is if there's a leak in the system, the indicator will then pop up, and it's all mechanical based. There's no LEDs, blinking lights, or anything like that. You have to then manually reseat the product, just like this. There's no automatic return, even if there is a reset in the valve itself. So.
Yes. So these need to, instead of it being a flat cap on the top here, it would screw in. They do need to be factory set because they do have the lock wire on them, so they can't be retrofitted. But we are offering a kind of, it's a tie into your system, kind of like a tattle, where you can hook this into your system and then it'll same thing, it has the pop-it indicator on it. It'll engage anywhere between the 10 to the 400 psi. And then we also offer it with a bleed port valve, which is what you see here, in case you need to bleed something off into a neutral thing. There also is, if you, like Cody said, if you can, if you think that maybe there's a false alarm and you want to reseat it and see if that actually is engaging and popping, there are O-rings in here. So if you take off the cap, you're not releasing, any ammonia or anything like that, any gases into the air. It would be completely safe for you to go ahead and do that. So that's pretty much our latest and greatest. Also with the pop-it indicators, these are completely optional. They are an additional, I think it's like $53 to the valve itself, but it's completely optional for you, and like Cody said, completely mechanical as well, too. So.
All mechanical. And for what it's worth, we've been, like she said, been in the business for quite a long time. We rely on the longevity of our products, and we take full integrity on making all of our products as well. So.
And everything is 100% tested out the door. We don't do any batch testing or anything like that. Every valve that leaves our facility is tested before it goes out. Same with our manifolds as well.
Yeah. So if you guys ever have any questions, I'm Cody Hambley. This is Kelly Kite. And please feel free to contact us at any time. We'll be happy to help you out.